Hi everyone, and welcome back to Belinda's DIYs. If this is your first time here, I want to welcome you. So today I'm really excited to show you how to make a chunky blanket. And the reason that I'm so excited is because it's so easy to make and all you need is your fingers to make it. That's right, just your fingers. And really there is no skills required. So that's another awesome thing. So I'm gonna show you how to make this really luxurious, fluffy blanket that you can give out to a friend or for yourself. And it's just really cozy and thick. Let me go ahead and show it to you. I'm gonna put it as a shawl. So it's really nice and fluffy, and this is great for one of those cold winter days and you just want to snuggle up in your couch or your bed and just read a book and just be nice and toasty and cozy. So this will just go perfect for those cold winter days or nights. I've been wanting one of these chunky blankets already for a long time, but I didn't want to pay the high price. So I decided to make one myself, and this is going to cost but just a fraction of what they sell online and in the stores. It's going to be so easy to make. I can't wait to show you how to make this chunky blanket. For this project, I'm going to be using 4 skeins of yarn, and these I purchased at Walmart. This is from the Mainstay collection. So with 4 skeins, you'll get a blanket in the size of 38 by 50. The reason that you see 5 skeins is because I was initially going to use 5, but I decided to make it a little bit smaller, so that's why I only used 4. So these cost about $6 and change, so my blanket turned out to cost roughly around $24. Okay, so I'm going to start by creating a loop to start off my chain. To create a loop, go through it with your hands as I'm showing you right there. And when you pull on it, don't make it so tight, just leave it a little bit loose. Then go through the loop and create a second loop. And continue with the same steps until you've created 20 loops. And you want your loops to be almost the same size. Once you've reached the end of the 20 loops, you want to move the skein to the other side, pull through an extra loop to create the next row. Okay, so to create extra loops, what you're going to do is pull between each of these rows to create another loop. And you keep going until you have 20 of them. Please keep in mind, I am no expert in crocheting. I just want to share with you what I learned. Just be sure and count them and make sure you have the 20 loops. And now you just continue to follow the same steps. When you reach the end, pull through the loop once, and then you continue to pull through new loops. You're going to repeat this back and forth until you use all 4 skeins. To finish off the last row, you're going to pull through the inner loop through the outer loop, just as I'm showing you like this. Then go on to the next loop, pass your yarn through both loops, pull it through, and then you have another loop. Next, go on to the next loop and repeat the same process. Pass your yarn through both loops, pull it through, and you'll have 1 loop. And as you can see, it starts to curve. Now I'm just going to continue to cast it all the way to the end. Once I reach the last loop, I'm just going to tie a knot. and I'm just gonna weave that extra piece of yarn into my blanket. And here I've laid it out on my sofa so that you could see what it looks like. I gave you the dimensions in the beginning, so this is how much it covers. Well, that's it for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please give me a big thumbs up and also share. I'd really appreciate it. You have yourself a Merry Christmas. And until my next video, bye-bye and God bless.